Hello aspirants, welcome you all. Let us discuss question number 2. A boat goes 360 km upstream and returns to the same point in 35 hours. If the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, how much distance boat will cover in the still water in 6 hours? I will teach you two methods. So here let us see the first method. Before solving the question, I will explain. Please try to understand this one. A boat goes 360 km upstream and return to the same point. So let us take this as a starting point and this as a ending point. So here a flow of the water is in this direction. Okay. So now a boat goes 360 km upstream and returns to the same point in 35 hours. So here 360 km. Upstream means a boat is moving in the direction of against the river. So this is nothing but the upstream. So here a boat is moving in this direction, water is flowing in this direction. Now it reaches the point A. After reaching this point A, it has to come back to the point B. So therefore, retaining distance also 360. Here in return, you can call that as a downstream since that boat is moving along the river. So therefore, please remember these things. You know the basic concept. Distance is equal to speed into time. Then time is equal to distance by speed. Remember this one. So to do this process, it takes 35 hours, which means if a boat is starting from B and reaches A and coming back to the B itself, it takes 35 hours. Here what has been provided in the question? The speed of the current has been provided. You don't know the speed of the boat in still water. So that you need to take it as a x. So the speed of the current in still water is 3 km per hour. Then the speed of the boat in still water, you can take it as a x km per hour. Then you know the speed of the downstream, which is equal to along the river means x plus y. So which is equal to x plus 3. Then the speed of the upstream, so which is equal to upstream means against, therefore you have to subtract. So x minus y. So therefore x minus 3. After knowing this one, with this logic, time is equal to distance by speed. So to do the boat process, it takes 35 hours. So therefore, distance by speed, so that is downstream, plus distance by speed, that is x minus 3. So x minus 3, to do the both the process, it takes 35 hours. Now you can take 360 as a common. So then 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3, which is equal to 35. Then you can do the cross multiplication. So x plus 3 into x minus 3, which is equal to x minus 3 plus x plus 3, which is equal to 35. Then cancel this one. So 360 into 2x by x square minus 9. I have applied a formula called as a plus b, a minus b. So now 360 into 2x, which is equal to 35 into x square minus 9. Please take note this one. I will tell you a shortcut process to get this one without solving this much of steps. I will tell you that one later in the second part. So now listen carefully. Now you can eliminate. So here you can multiply here 720x, so which is equal to 35x square minus 9 into 35, which is nothing but 315. Rearrange this one. 315. Okay, so let us take in this way. So 35x square minus 720 minus 315, I am keeping here itself, therefore which is equal to 0. You can simplify further with the phi table. So divide with the phi table, then you will get a 7x square minus 144x minus 63 is equal to 0. Then you need to do the factorization. If you multiply, you need to get the product as minus 441. Then here you need to get the sum as minus 144. You need to get the two numbers. Then here 441, right, which is equal to, you need to get a dash into dash multiplication. I'm writing 147. Okay, if I'm writing 147, so 147 into 3, let us check here. So here 21, then again 2, 12 plus 2, 4, then again 1, 3, then borrowing. Okay, 1 means a 4. Fine. So therefore here 147, then here 3. Then what you need to do is here minus, therefore you need to put minus in the greater number. Here you cannot write the two numbers directly since x square contains a coefficient. Then what you need to do is you need to split the middle term. So 147, then minus 3x, so minus 63, which is equal to 0. Take 7x as a common, you will get x minus 21. Here also you can take a minus, therefore listen carefully, here plus 3. Fine. Now you can take a minus 3 as a common, you will get a x. Okay. Here plus 3, then you can take a plus 3. Then you will get the similar you need to get x minus 21. Therefore here x minus 21, which is equal to 0. Now x minus 21 as a common. So therefore 7x plus 3, which is equal to 0. This is not possible since you will get the negative value. This is not possible. So here x is equal to 21. So here x is nothing but the speed of the boat in still water, that is 21 km per hour. So which means in a hour it can travel 21 km per hour. The question is in 6 hours. So therefore in 6 hours what you need to do, 1 hour, in a hour means 1 hour, 1 hour 21 km means in 6 hours, therefore 6 into 21. So you can get the answer as 126 km. So therefore answer for this question is the 126 km. I will tell you the second method to solve this one. So whatever I have encircled here, that you can able to get directly. So please listen this concept. A man can row a boat in still water at x km per hour. You can take this as a man as well as you can take this as a boat. In a stream flowing at y km per hour. Then if it takes him or boat means it takes that t hours to row to the place and come back. Then distance between the two boat. Here the formula is to find out the distance. Okay. Here you can use this one. So let us take this scenario here. Here distance for that one is 360. Here t is nothing but 35 hours. Then x is nothing but that only the boat speed. So therefore you do know, therefore x square. Here you can see in a stream flowing at 3 km per hour in the question, therefore 3 square. So which is divided by 2x. Okay, you can use this one. So now 360 into 2x, which is equal to 35 into x square minus 9. With these you can solve and simplify easily. Now I'll show you that part. So listen carefully. This one here, this much of steps you are deriving. So if you know this concept, you can derive 360 into 2x, which is equal to 35 into x square minus 9 easily. From these you can proceed the problem, the simplification as it is we have done here. So therefore answer for this question is 126 km. So please remember, if you are having any doubts, please clarify in the class also. Thank you all. Have a good day.